extra questions? Did you practice any extra
Extra.
questions?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, okay. So day after tomorrow you have exam, right? Okay. Day after tomorrow, what time you have exam?
9.
9 a.m. Okay. What about if we conduct a class in the morning? Are you okay? Uh, let's start at 10 o'clock. Yeah. No, no, tomorrow. I'm telling tomorrow. Tomorrow you don't have any exam, right? So tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I will send the message, okay? Hmm? Then, okay. Which all chapters you have for exam? Okay. Relations functions, inverse trigonometry functions, matrix
Matrix.
determinant. Okay. Then continuity differentiability,
Yes, sir. Application.
applications of derivatives, integration,
Yes, sir.
applications of integrals,
Yes, sir.
differential equation.
About sir, linear programming is there and probability is there.
Okay. So differential equation is not there. Hmm. Okay. 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 And what about vectors?
Studied.
Studied. Okay. Only differential equation is remaining. Okay. 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 So for day after tomorrow's exam, you have integration, right? Okay. See, which all topics from continuity and differentiability you are feeling difficult? Differentiability, continuity and differentiability means this chapter. What we are discussing now. Okay. Okay. So did you finish the worksheet I have given? Okay. Okay. Okay.
बाकी कहाँ पे है? आ गया। पंकज कहाँ पे है?
Okay. Hi. Great. Yeah. Avinash, Vansh, Avardhan. Okay. Yeah. All are
Okay,
there,
sir.
right? Vansh. Anybody is remaining? Vansh. Anybody is remaining to join? Okay. She said she has some
Pankaj
network
है
issue.
guys.
Okay. Let's start whatever it is. Otherwise, we don't get the time to finish it. Okay. Yeah. Uh, tell me how many of you tried those questions yesterday I have shared? Hmm? How many of you got the solutions? Vansh,
Yes sir.
Did you get the solution of the questions yesterday we discussed?
Sir, I solved first two questions.
Okay,
Uh, First one I got easily. Second one I took the help of Google.
okay,
And the third and fourth questions, sir, I, I was not able to solve. Like I tried, but
okay. Yeah, don't worry. Let's discuss. Okay, no problem. See, Abhinash, did you get any of
Ye-
the question?
Sir, only first one, sir.
What is the first question?
yes, sir, first one was easy.
Krish,
Yes, sir.
how many questions you solved?
The one you was gave the yesterday you gave and first and second one.
Okay, okay. Means this worksheet you didn't solve, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arshia, did you solve any of the questions?
Sir, Arshia is not in the class, I think.
Where is Ashia?
Arshia is not there. Okay, she joined, I think. Ah, okay, okay. She joined earlier. Okay. She said some network issue is there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All of you, I think first question I no need to solve here, right? Most of them got it right. Or should I do? Okay, no problem. Don't worry. See, uh, check the question. F of x is equal to therefore mx plus 1 if x
Yes,
less
sir.
than or equal to pi by 2, then sine x plus n if x greater than pi by 2. Okay, is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. So yesterday we discussed something is continuous means what you can say, left hand limit, right hand limit, value of the function, these three are equal. Left hand limit
Equal.
and right hand limit are equal, we can say that limit x is there. So if limit is equal to value of the function, function will be continuous. So here it is given that what function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2.
Pi
Correct,
by
right?
2. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to write here. First sentence you have to write what it is. Function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2. F of x is equal to f of pi by 2. Correct, right? Okay. So this part exists when limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x. Is right? Check your solution. Okay. Now we are going to find one by one. What is f of pi by 2? Value of the function. F of pi by 2 is equal to when x is equal to pi by 2. This is the condition, right? So m into, instead of x you have to give the value pi by 2 plus 1. Check. How many of you got the solution? All of you got it, right? Simply
Yes,
easy
sir.
step. Okay. Value of
Yes,
the
sir.
function. X is equal to pi by 2 where we have, there you have to substitute the value. So f of pi by 2 you got m into pi by 2 plus 1. Next we are going to check this one. Left hand limit. So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 minus. Pi by 2 minus means left side of pi by 2. Which is left side of pi by 2? First one or second one?
First one.
First one. Okay, very good. So we can write mx plus 1. I told you yesterday mx plus 1 is what? Polynomial function. Polynomial function is continuous everywhere. That's why directly you can substitute the value. No need to take h tends to 0 that condition. Okay. Where we have polynomial function, there directly you can give. So I am applying the limit here m into pi by 2 plus 1.
Pi by 2 plus 1.
Okay, got it. Now, next condition, right hand limit. Limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to pi by 2 plus, okay, right side of pi by 2, okay, when x is greater than pi by 2, that is sine x plus n. Did you get? Tell me if there is any doubt. Okay, Avinash, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. Now listen. Carefully, you have to do this. See, x is tending to a non-zero real number. Sin x plus n. Clear, right? Trigonometry function is there. So replace x tends to a by h tends to 0, and in the function x by a minus h or a plus h. Here it is right
A
side,
plus
right?
H. A plus
Okay,
H.
that's why a plus h. And sin x is a, listen, sin x is continuous, right? Yesterday we discussed it. Sin and cos are continuous. So directly also you can write, instead of this sign, suppose if you have any other trigonometry functions, what you have to do? You have to write this as limit h tends to 0. Same answer you are going to get. Okay. So you practice like this. I think that would be better. So limit h tends to 0. Clear? Okay. Limit h tends to 0. Then in the function, replace x by 5 by 2 plus, right? So right side, pi by 2 right plus h, a plus h plus n. Got it? Can you see? Is it clear?
So at the bottom of the board.
Okay, okay. Okay. H tends to 0. Sine a plus h. That is pi by 2 plus h plus n. Correct, right? Okay. Now, limit h tends to 0. Tell me, what is sine 90 plus theta? 90 plus theta is in
Okay.
second quadrant. Second quadrant is sine, cosec both are positive. Clear, right? Okay. And here it is, yesterday we discussed it. 9 or 27 comes there. 90 or 270 plus or minus theta, sine become co-function. So I can write here cos h.
Cos h
And
plus
moreover, this will be positive, right? Because it is in
Yes,
second
sir.
quadrant.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then plus n. Now, see, irreducible form, you can apply the limit. H tends to 0. So
0.
cos 0 plus n. What is cos 0? 1.
1
1 plus n.
plus
Okay. So we got everything. See, value of the function m into pi by 2 plus 1. Left hand limit m into pi by 2 plus 1. And right hand limit 1 plus n. Okay. So these all are equal, right? Then what is going to be the value of m or n? What we have to find? The value of m. M,
M
right?
is here.
Okay. So we can write here, these two things are equal. So from equation number 1, we will write which one? Limit of the function, that is m into pi by 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus n, that is equal to one more is there, value of the function that are also same. That's why this is enough. Clear, right? Okay. 1 we can cancel from both the sides. M into pi by 2, that is equal to n. Got it? We need to find the value of m. So the value of m is equal to
2
2n
by 5.
by pi. Tell me, how many of you got this answer? All of you got it. Okay. Those who are not finished it, please complete it. Is it right? Simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I go to next question? Once what about the solution of the second question? For what value of k is the following functions continuous at x is equal to 0? Did you get? Avinash, should I explain any step?
No, sir. Everything
Okay.
is clear, sir.
Other than, did you get this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. Arshia,
Yes, sir.
Did you get the solution? Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Can I clear all of you? Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Check it. For what value of k, the following function continues at x is equal to 0. This is important question, okay? Important question. F of x is equal to set of all 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square. If x not equal to 0, k if x is equal to 0. Okay. For what value of k is the following function continuous at x is equal to 0? What value of k it will be continuous? Did you get anybody? Tell me. Those who got the answer. Nobody is there.
No answer.
Okay. Yeah. See, very easy question. Yesterday we discussed that we have four conditions, right? Any question if you get, we are facing difficulty. Value of the function, you know that how to write. That is easy. But where we are facing the difficulty? We are facing difficulty therein to find the limit of the function, right? To find the limit, we have four conditions. What are the four conditions? First one is direct substitution. Direct substitution means any question you get, you can apply direct substitution. Okay, while applying direct substitution, suppose if it is 0 by 0 form, you have to go to
Rewrite the function.
three methods, three conditions are there. That is depends upon the problems, right? Okay, trigonometry functions, then square root functions, these kind of functions you are getting. Mostly we are applying what rationalization method. Okay, then if it is a polynomial function, rational function like that, then factorization method. Clear, right?
Factorization.
Okay, and some of the cases you can use that identity also. What is that identity? Do you study? Limit
Yes,
x
sir.
tends to a x raised to n. Yes,
X
sir.
and minus
You study that,
a
okay?
raised
Limit
to
x tends to a x raised to n minus a raised to n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a raised
n
to n minus 1. Why I am
n
telling
raised
again
to
and again? In derivative d by dx of x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Get confused, that's why. Okay? See, here it is x raised to n minus 1. That is derivative. Here it is n into a raised to n minus 1. Don't make mistake there, okay? Yeah. Okay, so try all of you. Try. You try it. Come on. First, what we have to do? Value of the function, right? Okay. Did they give here? Function is continuous. Check it. For what value of k, the following function continuous at x is equal to 0.
X equal to
What you
0.
have to do?
yes, sir.
You have to take it as continuous, right? Okay, if it is continuous, then what about the value of k? That's the question, right? For what value of k it will be continuous? Okay, so let's consider, right, if f is continuous, then what limit x tends to, what is the deviating point? 0. So 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that is equal to f of 0. Got it? Okay. Find one by one. First we can find f of 0. What is value of the function f of 0?
Okay.
Tell me. K. Then x is equal to 0. K. Okay, very good. Now, see, for these two conditions, we are going to get the same thing. X is 0, then we will get k. But when x is not equal to 0, there are two conditions. X not equal to 0 means even if it is a negative number or a positive number. Both the cases, we are going to get the same solution. What? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x, 0 plus f of x, we have 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square. Did you get the idea? Okay. So, how to write? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus left side of 0 1 minus cos 4x divided by 8x square. Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Now next what we have to do, if it is 0 minus means left side only, But when we have these kind of conditions for trigonometric functions, you have to make them h tends to 0. Clear? Don't forget that. Okay. So how can I write? You consider this as
0
a
minus h.
constant. So when x tends to a, then replace x tends to a by h tends to
Yeah.
0, and in the function left side, right? So in the function you write it as what? A minus h. So cos a is what? 0. So 4 into replace x by a minus h, that is 0 minus h, divided by 8 into 0 minus h the whole square. Got it? Okay. Now what we have? Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 0 minus h is minus h. So cos into what? Minus 4h. What is cos minus theta? Cos theta. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me if there is any doubt. Cos minus theta is cos theta, right? 4 into minus h. 4 into minus h is minus 4h. So cos minus 4h, that is cos minus theta, which is cos theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta, right? Why? Do you know the reason? See, this is minus theta, right? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which all are positive? Cos and sec
Cos
are
and sec.
positive. So cos minus theta or sec minus theta, that will be always positive. Other all trigonometric ratios are negative there. Okay. Okay, keep it in mind that. Yeah. So divided by here 0 minus h the whole square. So h square, that is 8h square. Same thing you got. Clear, all of you? Okay. Yeah. Now, next part. How to simplify the next part. Check it. How I am going to write is equal to. Can you see this? Clear, right? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
see this part, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, which property we are going to apply here? Trigonometric identities. See, very, very important. Cos 2x. Cos 2x. See, most of the relations we are having in trigonometry or calculus connected with the cos 2x. What are the properties of cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus
Cos
1. Those who are
1
not knowing, just
minus
note it
sin.
there in the
1 minus 2
margin or
sin
anywhere.
square x.
Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Next one,
1
1
minus
minus
1
2
sin
sine
minus
square
1
2
x.
minus
sin
2
square
sine
x.
square x. Next,
Cos square x minus sin square.
Cos square x minus sine square x.
cos square x minus sine square x. Next one, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1
1
plus
minus
tan
tan
square x.
square.
1 plus sine square.
And here, two important properties are 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sine square x. See, I'm going to consider to simplify 1 minus cos 4h. Which one? Cos 2x. Okay. What is cos 2x? That is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. All of you please write there in the margin. Note in the margin. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. It has an important role for solving most of the problems there in calculus. Very, very important. Study it now itself. Okay. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay. My question is, how can you make this as cos 4x? Here we have cos 4x. So how to make cos 4x?
Cos 2 into
Multiply.
2.
Yeah. This is angle, right? Multiply this angle into 2. So cos 2 into 2, 4x is equal to, where we have x, in that all places you have to multiply with the 2.
2
So it is going to be 1 minus 2. Here you have x. So
2x.
2 sine square 2x. Got it? Understood? Yeah. Now, see, our condition is 1 minus cos 4h. So how can you make this as 1 minus cos 4h? Transpose this cos 4x, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So bring this one left hand side. So it will be 2 sine square 2x, that is equal to 1 minus cos 4x. You got this condition? See? Okay. So what we can do, instead of this one, I can write 2 sine square 2h, not x, h. This you write there in the margin, okay? Property. So limit h tends to 0. Instead of 1 minus cos 4h, I can write 2 sine square 2h all divided by 8h square. Got it? Okay. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, we are going to apply property. Can I clear this one?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, this one. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x. What is the value?
1.
Sin x.
1.
Okay. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x by x.
1.
1.
1. Okay, very good. So, if you want to solve the remaining part, you have to convert the entire thing in term of this identity. Clear? So for that, how to do? See, 2 is constant. Here 180 is there. This we can cancel. So you will get 4. Clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
See how I am going to write the remaining thing. Limit h tends to 0. Sine square to h. So here in the numerator, what you have, that is a square function. Square function means see, sine square to h can be written as sine 2h into sine 2h. So here, whatever things you are considering the denominator, that you should also should be square. See, limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. If I have sine ax divide ax, then denominator you have to get ax. If sine 4x, denominator you have to get 4x. If sine square x, then denominator you have to get x square. If it is sine square 5x, denominator you have to get 5x the whole square. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
numerator is square. That's why denominator also should be square of something. Here already it is, see, square of 2h is what? 4h square. Here we have 4h square. So how to write? Sine
Sine
2h the
2x
whole square
upon
divided by 2h the whole
2x
square.
by
Got it?
h.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you know that when h tends to 0, h tends to 0, 2h also tends to 0. So we are writing what? Limit 2h tends to 0, sine 2h by 2h the whole square.
Good.
And the result of this one is what? 1 square. That is equal to 1. Got it, all of you?
Yes,
Simple.
sir.
Yeah. You got everything, right?
Yes.
So can you please repeat the last step in which you took two?
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir. From here.
Okay. See, listen. Here numerator is sine square 2h, right? Properties is one sin x by x. What you have angle here, the same you have to get in the denominator. Got it? Okay. So consider here the function is sine square 2h. What is sine square 2h? Trigonometry functions, you know that sine square x is sine x the whole square. So sine square 2h is sine 2h the whole square. Correct, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
denominator what you have to get? 2h the whole square. Suppose if now we have 4 here. Suppose if 4 is not there, what you have to do? Multiply numerator and denominator by 4 and they convert this in terms of 2h the whole square. Here already we have what? 4. So directly you can write 2h the whole square. Did you get the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come. So h is tending to 0. When h tends to 0, you consider h tends to 0. So 5x tends to 0 or 10h tends to 0. Means we are multiplying, right? When you multiply, the result also tends to 0 there. Okay. Now your task is, this is left hand limit only. Exactly the same way we have to take right hand also. Okay. Try to do all of you. Quick, fast. See, one more thing I will tell you. These kind of questions, right? Some of the questions, not all questions, some of the questions, what you can do here in this problem, you can solve like that. X not equal to 0, right? Some of the case you will get x less than previous question, you know that x less than 0, x greater than 0, like that. Okay. So here already they have given function is continuous, clear, right? If it is continuous, then what about the value of k? So these two cases are going to give the same result there. So without applying left hand limit and right hand limit also you can solve that. But I told you general case we are considering. Okay. Everywhere you are not going to get the same kind of questions. Okay. So this method is applicable for all questions. You get the idea?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Avinash got it?
Yes,
One
sir.
should?
One.
One, yeah, correct. See, nothing is here. Limit extends to 0 plus f of x, 0 plus 1 minus cos 4h divided by 8x square. Then limit h tends to 0 from right side, that's why a minus h become a plus h here also. So limit h tends to 0, 1 minus same cos 4h divided by 8h square. Okay, remaining all same. Exactly. Avinash, tell me if there is any doubt.
No, sir. There is no doubt.
Okay, right. Now you can just substitute the values here. Right. See, one more suggestion. Tell me. Um, First, you have written something right. Here, the function is continuous. Therefore, limit extends to 0 minus f of x is equal to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. This you take equation number 1. Why I am telling like that? So, last you can write down. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes. Is it clear? That is a good approach. That's why. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, equation number 1 becomes what? 0 minus f of x. What do you got? 0 minus f of x? 1. 0 plus f of x, that is also 1. F of 0, that is k. So we can finalize the value of k is equal to 1.
One.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
speed up. Okay. Speed up. Next question. Third question is easy one. Can you try that, all of you? Third question. I will tell you how to solve that. See, f of x is equal to sine 2x divided by sine 3x if x is not equal to 0. Clear, right? Okay. So, second one is 2 if x is equal to 0. Yeah. See, it's a very easy question. Very easy question in the sense, last year, limits and derivatives, one example question was there just before the exercise. Same question. Exactly same question. There it was sine 4x divided by sine 2x. If you have textbook, you can just check that. Exactly same question. What should we do to simplify this one? You can write like this: sine 2x divided by sine 3x. Clear, right? To simplify, here denominator you have to get 2x, right? So multiply numerator and denominator by 2x. Here in the numerator you have to get 3x, right? Means the two results are there. Limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, x by sine x is also 1. Reason is when you take the reciprocal. Yesterday we discussed that kind of one question. Same pattern. So limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, x by sine x is also 1. Okay. But what you have here, the exactly same you have to get for sine also. Angle. So listen, simple thing. Here numerator of sine 3x you have to get 3x. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3x. Now just group it to simplify this. Okay, means where you get this one, limit x tends to 0 case, right? F of 0 is going to be 2. F of 0 is equal to 2. Then limit x tends to 0 minus a or 0 plus a. Both the cases, this is a way you have to simplify. So just after multiplying this thing, what we have to do, this 2x you have to write with this one, and this 3x you have to write with this one. Clear? Okay. And remaining x you can cancel from these two. So we have 2 by 3 left over. That 2 by 3 is constant, we can take it out. So 2 by 3 into limit x tends to 0, sine 2x divided by 2x, okay, into limit x tends to 0, 3x divided by sine 3x. Okay, these two cases are going to give 1, 1. Then this is 2 by 3. So the answer is 2 by 3. Did you get easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just note it there if you want. This kind of any question comes, this is the way you have to solve. Numerator 2x, so denominator you have to make 2x. Simply you can't write. With means you have to balance it. For that, multiply the numerator and denominator multiply 2x. And here denominator 3x is there. To get that, multiply numerator and denominator by 3x. Those who want more explanation, tell me, I will clear it. Krish, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
See, I told you right. Only few number of students are there. I am expecting an interacting section, which means we can discuss and solve the problems. Clear getting? Okay.
Yes.
Hmm? Okay. Tell me something if there is a doubt. I will explain
The
how to do.
R will also be like this. We have to
Sorry?
solve. So the RHL part also we have to solve like this.
RCL part also you have to solve. Both are going to give the same solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell me if there is any doubt, you can say that. Okay. I will explain that.
Yes.
Okay. Next, try this one. Question number 4. For what value of k? You got the question? For what value of k? The function f of x is equal to square root of 5x plus 2 minus square root of 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 when if x is not equal to 2. Okay. And if x is equal to 2, then the range is k. Is continuous at x is equal to 2. Is continuous at x is equal to 2. Okay. See, all of you first you try. What is the first step? When it is continuous at x is equal to 2, so you can write if x is continuous at x is equal to 2, if f is continuous at x is equal to 2, if f is continuous at x is equal to 2, what limit
F of
extends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 2 plus f of x is equal to f of 2. That you can take equation number 1. Then solve one by one. Clear? Try it.
okay.
Okay. One by one you find.
X minus 2.
Got it? What is f of 2?
5.
F of 2?
Sir, K.
F of
Okay.
2 is equal to k. Okay. Yeah. Next, limit x tends to, okay, listen all of you, it's not a trigonometric function, so that's why 1 is enough. Limit x tends to 2 is enough. Is it clear? Limit x tends to 2 minus 2 plus separately, no need to find. If it is a trigonometric function, you know that sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 plus theta, it may vary, but here what, it's a rational function, that's why limit x tends to 2 is enough. Means limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to f of 2, only then function is continuous, right? Okay, means these two are equal, you can say that limit x tends to 2 f of x existed. So here this is enough. Getting a lot.
Yes, sir.
So limit x tends to 2 f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2. Okay, when x tends to 2, x is equal to 2k, x is not equal to 2, that is x tends to 2. This is a condition we have. So square root of 5x plus 2 minus square root of 4x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. What I told you to simplify limit, first method, direct substitution. All of you substitute directly.
So it will give 0 in the denominator.
Very good, very good. 0 by 0 form, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Another one important thing. After applying the limit, you don't write this one. Limit x tends to 2. Did you get? Please check it, all of you. After substituting x is equal to 2, you don't give this one. They will cut your mark. Okay? So
Yes.
if you substitute in this condition, then eliminate this part. Okay? Erase this one. Square root of 5 into 2 plus 2
Yes.
minus square root of 4 into 2 plus 4 all divided by 2 minus 2. So you know that 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Root 12 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 4 12 divided by 2 minus 2. 0 by 0 form. Indeterminate form. Where we have indeterminate form, what should we do? Rewrite the given function. Okay. So my question is this. Out of these three means a substitution method, rationalization method, and the last identity. Which method you are going to apply here?
So rationalization.
Rationalization.
Rationalization. Very good, very good, very good. Rationalization, because I told you where we have square root, rationalization you have to do. Okay, that means even if it is in numerator or denominator, that doesn't matter. Here it is in numerator, right? Earlier in grade 9 and all, you have studied when it is in denominator only you have to rationalize. But here it is not like that. To eliminate that 0 by 0 form, what should we do? Even if it is in numerator also, you can do that. So multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of numerator. Multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate of numerator. Try it, all of you. We are going to rewrite the function. You just add a statement there, okay? Now it is 0 by 0 form, therefore rewrite the given function. 0 by 0 form, therefore rewrite the given function. Multiplying conjugate into numerator. Ayush, is it clear this step? Okay, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugate. Conjugate means you know that, right? Just to change
Yes,
the
sir.
sign. Okay. Then how to resolve this remaining part? Tell me. Any
So by
idea?
squaring,
Sorry?
Simplify multiply.
Identity, right? A minus B into A plus B.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. So when you use A minus b into a plus b, you will get a square minus b square. So numerator is going to be limit x tends to 2 square root of 5x plus 2 the whole square. A square minus b square 4x plus 4 the whole square. All divided by, in the denominator you have x minus 2, then another 5x plus 2 plus square root of 4x plus 4. Oh, I think you can't see that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now square root and square root cancel. So what we get? 5x plus 2 minus Ayush. See, very important. After minus sign, when you open a binomial, what we have to do? Put it in bracket, right? Square root cancel. Then this must be in bracket. 4x plus 4. Don't forget that, okay? This also put it in bracket. Reason is we are multiplying. This is a binomial term, right? This also binomial. So separately you should put it in bracket. Okay. Open this bracket. What we get when we open bracket?
X minus 2.
Minus 4x minus 4.
Minus 4x and minus 4. Okay. So divided by x minus 2 into square root of 5x plus 2, then plus square root of 4x plus 4. Okay. Can I write here itself after solving? 5x minus 4x?
X.
X. 2
X
minus
minus
4
2.
is minus
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 2.
2.
Okay. That means these two we can cancel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what is left over after cancelling? 1 by square root of 5x plus 2 plus square root of 4x
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 plus
plus
2.
4.
4x plus 4.
Okay. Now you try, you apply the limit. This is irreducible form. You can't reduce that further. So here you check, when you substitute 2, what we are going to get the value, that will be your final answer.
1 by 4 root 3.
1 by 4.
Root 3.
Sir, 1 by 4 root 3.
1 by 4 root 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 5 to 10 plus 2, 12. Root 12. How to write root 12? 12 can be written as
4
4
into
into 3.
4 into 3.
4 is a perfect square. So 2 we can take outside it, 2 root 3. Okay. So 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3. When we add 4 root 3. Clear, right? Got it, all of you. Avinash, should I explain once again?
Sir, got it.
Got it.
Okay.
Archia,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Avardhan,
Yes, clear.
Ayush, Vansh, Krish,
Yes, sir.
got it.
Clear, sir.
Okay, yeah. Let's go to next question. See, I told you right. Very easy, simple. Nothing is there. This is easy. If you understand things right, you can solve all the questions. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try the next question. You do one thing. Try fifth question. Okay. Fifth question, easy question. Okay. Try fifth question, and if you're not getting, tomorrow we can discuss that. Okay. Uh, Sixth also you try. Sixth question. Sixth question, we solved it the same in the second part. 1 minus cos 4x divided by kx square. A small difference is there. Denominator x sin x. That is only the difference. Should we do that? Or can you try? Tell me.
Sir, which one?
Question number 6 I am telling. No problem. You try 6 also. Write 6 also. So try this question as homework. Fifth you take homework. Try if you are not getting, tomorrow we can discuss. 6 you write now.
Okay.
For what value of k, f of x is equal to 1 minus cos kx. 1 minus cos kx divided by x sin x. If x is not equal to 0, 1 by 2 if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. For what value of k, f of x is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by cos kx divided by x sin x. If x is not equal to 0, 1 by 2 if x is equal to 0 is continuous at x is equal to 0. Try all of you, please try it. You know that continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay. For what value of k it is continuous at x is equal to 0. That means you have to take the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. If it is continuous, left hand, right hand value of the function at a 0 are same. That's the first step you have to write. If f is continuous at x is equal to 0, then what limit extends to trigonometry function. That's why you have to take 0 minus and 0 plus. 0 minus f of x is equal to okay. Take this as equation number 1. Then one by one you find, substitute there. Who is taking now chemistry? Who is handling chemistry? So which side is there? Okay. Then physics,
Amit sir.
Amit sir. Okay. Yeah. No, earlier another one. Oh, Jin sir was there, right?
He's gone, sir.
Jin sir.
Yes, sir.
Jin sir was. Sorry.
He's not speaking, sir.
Okay. How is now climate in Navshera? Cold or
Very
normal
cool, sir.
Cool.
Very cold.
So cold.
What is the temperature now? Less than 5?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
11 degree.
Okay. See, f of 0. Value of the function 1 by 2. Okay.
1 by 2.
That limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 minus. 0 minus means the left side of 0. 1 minus cos kx divided by x sin x. Got it? Okay. So here also I told you, if you want you can take directly, means x not equal to 0. Otherwise separately you can do as you wish. Okay. Yeah. See, limit h tends to 0. Left side, so you can write 1 minus cos k into, what you will get there? 0 minus h. 0 minus h into 0 minus h. Okay. So limit h tends to 0. 1 minus cos minus kh. That is cos kh divided by sine minus theta is minus sine theta, and here one minus h is there. So minus into minus a plus sine h. Got it? Clear, right? Okay. Now,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
did you get all of you till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to find out a solution part for 1 minus cos kh. So that we can find from cos 2x. How to write cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus
1
2
minus
sine square x.
sine square.
Okay. Now listen. Here we have 2x, right? First you have to remove 2. Then only you can write it as 1 minus cos kh. So what should we do? I can write this as cos x. Okay.
Cos 12.
So to get cos x, I have to divide 2, right?
Right.
2x divided by 2 is x. So here also you should do the same thing. 1 minus sine square x by 2. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we can substitute. So when we substitute k, it will be cos kx is equal to 1 minus, everywhere where you have x, substitute that k. So sine square kx by
2x
2.
by
Did
2.
you get? Correct,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Now, to get 1 minus cos kh, this you can take right hand side and bring this one left hand side. So 1 minus cos kx is 2 sine square kx by 2. Check it. One minus cos kx is 2 sine square kx by 2. Now it is easy, remaining part. Just substitute and simplify. One minus cos kh we are writing 2 sine square k kh, not x, kh divided by 2 all divided by h sin h. Okay, please listen for a minute. Please listen for a minute. Okay, see, now what should we do? Here you have to apply the property. Apply the property means this is square function sine square kh divided by 2. Okay, so listen, what is the square of this one? This part kh by 2? K square h square by 4, correct, right? Did you get the
Yes.
idea? So sine square kh by 2 is sine kh by 2 into sine kh by 2. So for this angle you have to get in the denominator k square h square by 4. Then only we can simplify that. Got it? So check what should we do to get that. One h is already there. So we need one more h. So I am multiplying one h here. Got it? Without changing the value, you have to divide also. So multiplied, divided. Got it? Okay. Next, what we need? K square by 4. So I am multiplying k square divided by 4. Okay? Without changing the value, numerator also I am doing that k square divided by 4. Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Yeah. Should I explain once again? Avinash,
No, sir. Clear,
see,
sir.
I will tell you. I will tell you. Wait, wait.
Okay, sir.
H sin h. So we are taking depends upon this one, right? Sine is a square function here. So sine square kh divided by 2. So you have to take the square of this part, angle. When I take the square of angle, we get here k square h square divided by 4. So
Four,
check which
yes,
all
sir.
things we have here. Out of this h square, we have one h. So one more is required here. So multiply. When you multiply, divide also. Otherwise, value will change. Okay. So
Yes,
that
sir.
we substituted. We got h square. Next, we need a k square by 4. So to get k square by 4, I'm writing k square by 4 in the denominator. This is denominator, right? So without changing the value, numerator also I have to divide k square by 4. Now value is not varying. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me how to write this. See, this sin h by h, I'm separating from here. Remaining h into h square k square by 4, I'm writing as the denominator of this one. Okay. Clear. And in the numerator, you have one k square divided by 4. Okay. So that together I am writing. And I am taking that outside. Means k square, 4, 2, these all are constants. So constant always we have to take outside. So I'm writing 2 k square by 4. These two things I have taken outside. Now here you have limit h tends to 0, sine square kh divided by 2 divided by, here we have h into h square k square by 4, that we are writing h k by 2 or kh
Yes, sir.
divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, and one more thing is there in the denominator. What is that? Sin h by h. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now these two we can cancel. We will get k square divided by 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next, solve the remaining.
So remaining is 1.
Sorry.
1.
Remaining part
Yeah.
1.
So how to write that? Tell me. I can write like this. Limit h tends to 0 sine kh by 2 by kh by 2 clear the whole square divided by right limit of this is actually in the denominator, right? So f of x divided by g of x for that is limit of f of x by limit of g of x, right? Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Okay, did you get all of you? Can you see this part?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Please don't mug up. If you are feeling any difficult, means any step, if you are not getting, please ask. I will explain that clearly. Okay. So when h tends to 0, what you can say? H tends to 0. Here the angle is kh by 2, right? So you can make this as kh by 2. H tends to 0. Kh by 2 is also tends to 0. If this also tends to 0, then we can write this as 1. Clear? Okay. Limit x tends to 0 sine x by x. See everywhere x x x. Limit 2x tends to 0 sine 2x divided by 2x 1. Limit kh by 2 tends to 0 sine kh by 2 divided by kh by 2. That is equal to 1. Did you get the idea? Okay. So here it is a square function. So how to write? All square you can write. If you want one more step, you can write k square divided by 2 into, I am writing this as limit kh by 2 tends to 0 sine kh by 2 divided by kh by 2 the whole square divided by denominator part is limit h tends to 0 sine h by h. Okay. Now k square by 2 into 1 by 1. That is equal to k square by 2. Got it?
Yes.
So do we have to solve for this RHL part?
RHL part actually, what I'm telling, yeah, RHL part also we have to solve. But what I'm telling here, x is not equal to 0, right? Already they have given it is continuous. If you want to check the given function is continuous, you can check 0 minus 0 plus like that. Here, if you want directly, you can write limit x tends to 0 f of x. You do one thing, you write the LHS part, LHS part, or sorry, this is LHS part, right? Do RHS also. In these kind of questions, right? X not equal to 0, x not equal to 2, x not equal to 5 by 2. These kind of questions, even if you are not writing both LHL and RHL also, you will get the solution the same way. Can I clear this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Exactly same thing. What you have written earlier, the same you can copy here, okay?
Yes.
Got it, all of you?
Okay.
Just copy that. Okay, tell me what is 1 minus cos kh? 2
What?
sine square
Science KH by 2.
2, okay, divided by h into
H into sin H by
sine.
H.
Okay. Now you check what we have to get there. Kh by 2, that is k square h square by 4. One h is there, so multiply one more h. Without changing the value, we are dividing h. Then we need k square. So multiplying k square by 4. Without changing the value, numerator also k square by 4. Did you get after simplifying k square by 2? Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. Now you can go to equation number 1. What we have written equation number 1? Tell me. Left hand limit, right hand limit, value of the function. All these are same, right? So
Yes, sir.
therefore, equation number 1 implies what is that? K square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, right?
But 2.
Two things
Yes,
are
sir.
same, right? So 1 is enough. K square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 we can cancel from both the sides. And what most of the students are making mistake here. See, k square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So k square is equal to
1
1.
1. What is the value of k?
plus or minus 1.
Plus or minus 1.
Very good,
Plus or
very good,
minus
very
1.
good. It is not only 1, plus or minus 1. Two solutions are there, okay? Not only 1, plus or minus 1. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, do you understand what is continuity, how to simplify problems? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay. So you do one thing.
Yes.
Check question number 7. It's first part x less than 0, exactly same as this one. We solved 1 minus cos 4x divided by x square. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Value of the function is x is equal to 0. Then you will get a. That is f of 0 is equal to a. And when x is greater than 0, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. You have right this one, all of you?
Yes, sir. In the PDF you
Okay,
have.
please check. So seventh question, important question. Okay, seventh question. Check there. What you have to note means while solving, if you are not doing that carefully, second part you won't get as the right solution. Why? Check root x divided by root 16 plus root x. That root x is also under radical
Root
sign.
H.
Check it. That is not separately. So in that case, you will get 0 by 0 form. Second part when you do, you will get 0 by 0 form. There you have to rewrite the given function. How to rewrite? Which method you have to apply?
Rationalization.
Rationalization.
Rationalization. Okay.
Rationalization.
While doing rationalization, see 3 terms are there, right? Suppose
Yes,
if you
sir.
do carefully, then you will get the solution. Otherwise, what is going to happen? You may write there root 16 minus root x minus 4. Means when root x is apart from that radical sign, so what is going to happen there? You won't get the solution. That root x also under the radical sign. Getting root 16 plus root x you have to write. Then minus 4. So when you take the conjugate, how to write? Root 16 plus root x plus
Minus
4.
4. Oh, sorry. Yes, sir.
conjugate of minus 4 plus 4, clear. That you have to multiply in the numerator and denominator. If you want, just note it there. Okay, so that question you have to try. Why I'm telling that, otherwise we won't get the time. Now here time is 9 o'clock, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one more question we can do, thereafter we can go to continue differentiability. Lots of topics are there, right? Is it clear, all of you, how to simplify questions? This is enough. You don't need to go through many questions. This is enough. This you practice. These all questions you practice well. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to next one. You try, all of you. Ninth question. Question number 9. Seventh question you have to practice. You have to try that and send that either via mail or WhatsApp. Okay, all 6 should send the solution. Don't forget. Mark this question number. Which all questions I have given?
So fifth and seventh.
Okay, question number 5. Question number 7. Okay, these 2 questions you have to solve and send to my WhatsApp number.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Now write question number 9. Did you get the question? If f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, then you have to find the values of a and b. Okay. All of you, please try this. I will help you. Okay. If f of x is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, then what should we do? Find the values of a and b. Are you stuck anywhere? What
I'm
happened?
still solving, sir.
Okay. Continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. So first statement is going to be limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x is equal to pi by 2 plus f of x is equal to f of pi by 2.
By 2.
Equation number 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Ayush, can you help me? What is limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x? A pi by 2 minus f of x. Okay, okay, yeah. Okay. Plus f of x is equal to pi by 2 plus, first you write f of x, thereafter you can give. Pi by 2 plus, right side is what? B into x by pi minus 2x the whole square, right? Okay, trigonometric ratio is there. So when x tends to a non-zero real number, replace x tends to a by h tends to 0. That is limit h tends to 0. And in the function where we have x, replace that x by a plus h. So sine pi by 2
Plus it.
plus h divided by, sorry, this one. Okay, much better is writing this step. Reason is here f of x is there, right? First you have to substitute with when x tends to pi by 2 plus means from right side what function you are getting from this one. So that f of x value you are going to get b 1 minus cos x divided by pi minus 2x square, right? Thereafter you consider that when x tends to a non-zero real number, replace x tends to a by h tends to 0. Why I'm telling? What is the you have written grade 10 board examination, right? So you know that what is the difference between NCERT paper and CBSE exam. That means you have to write enough number of steps. Otherwise you may lose the mark. Suppose if it is a 4-mark question, 5-mark question, enough number of steps are not there. They may cut half mark there. So maximum number of steps you got to write there.
Okay.
So pi minus 2 into x is pi by 2 plus h. Okay, then all square. Hello. Check all of you, please check. Square is not only for pi by 2 plus h. The whole denominator has square. Check it. A silly mistake sometime may lose your complete mark. Got it? Yeah. Which is equal to limit h tends to 0 b into 1 minus. What is sine 90 plus theta?
9
Cos theta,
Cos
right?
theta.
Second quadrant, but here it is sine, that's why it's positive. So cos theta, that is cos h divided by denominator you have, check it, pi minus, when I multiply 2 into pi by 2, that will be pi. Then minus 2 into h, minus 2h. So these two get
Okay.
cancelled.
You can
Okay,
write.
then which is equal to limit h tends to 0, d into 1 minus cos h divided by, what do you have?
2
Minus 2h, right?
Minus which?
Minus 2h. Okay. Hello. Listen for a minute. I know that. Suppose if you are knowing all the properties of limits, properties of which one?
Limits.
Trigonometric functions. Okay. Properties of trigonometric functions. What mistake you are going to make there? See, three properties you have studied last year. First one is what? Tell me. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x is equal to 0. Correct, right? Correct, right?
One
Yes or no?
by
Tell
Yes,
me. This
X
kind
by
of a
X.
property you have studied, right? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x by x, that is equal to 0. Studied or not? Okay. So sometime what you are going to do here, you will take b into minus 2, there outside, then you will write what? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x divided by h, that is equal to 0. Don't write like that. In that case, you are not going to get the solution there. So how to write? Cos 2x. By using cos 2x, you have to simplify this one. Okay. Don't write this property there. Means when you substitute there, the value of h it is going to give again 0 by 0 form. See, cos 0. Cos 0 is what? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then denominator h is 0. 0 by 0 form. Clear getting? Okay.
Yes.
Don't do like that. So you have to use here property of cos 2x. So how to write property of cos 2x? Check it. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x.
okay.
Okay. You have to get cos x. So cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square. What we did? Divided by 2,
Divided
right?
by 2. Yes, sir.
Okay. So x by 2.
Actually,
Now 1 minus cos x. The value is 2 sine square x by 2.
x by 2.
Okay. That value you have to give there. Do you write all of you this one? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One second.
Okay.
Minus 2h is in square.
Sorry?
Minus 2h is in square.
No, 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 no. Minus 2. This you have to make a square of something. Clear, right? Sine square h by 2, right? And also this 2 we can cancel. Correct, right?
In the denominator
Okay. So this
here, the pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h, that is in square now. Step 2.
This one. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, sorry, sorry, sorry. Square is there. Okay. So it is going to be 4h square, right? Ah,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay. Right, right, right. 4h square. Okay. So you can write it as 2. This one is 2h the whole square, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. No, h by 2 you need, right? So you can write 4h square. That is enough. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now check what we need there. Sine square h by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So h by 2 in the sense here sine square. That's why h square by 2 square. That is h square by 4 you have to get. So already h square is there. Correct, right? So to get h
Multiply
square by
and divide
4.
by 4.
Yeah. 4 by 4. Correct, right? Now just group it. Which all constants you can take outside here? Tell me. 4, 4, 16 is there, right? B, here one 2 is there.
B by
So
8.
2b by 16. Correct, right? 2b
Yes.
by 16. Okay. Then remaining limit h tends to 0. Sine square h by 2 is sine h
X by
by
2
2
the
the whole square by h square by 4 can be written as h by 2 the whole square.
whole square.
Okay. Now these two cancel. B by 8 into remaining parts you can write as limit h tends to 0. When h tends to 0, h by 2 is also tends to 0. Then sin h by 2 divided by h by 2 the whole square, which is equal to b by 8 into 1 square. 1 square is 1, that is b by 8. See, in how many questions we applied the same property cos to x. It is that much important. Okay, that transformation you have to study there. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay,
how
sir.
to transform. Yeah. Okay, go to the next part. Limit extends to pi by 2 minus f of x. Yeah. Arshia, hello.
Yes, sir.
Did you get this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I got.
Limit extends to pi by 2 minus f of x. Yeah. Then tell me what is limit extends to pi by 2 minus f of x?
Yes, sir.
What is limit extends to pi by 2 minus f of x?
Sir, 1 minus sine cube x upon 3 minus 3 cos square x.
Okay, very good. Okay, so how to simplify this part? Direct substitution, right?
Yes, sir.
Everywhere, hello, everywhere direct substitution. 0 by 0 only you have to rewrite the given function. Did you get the idea?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
yeah. So when we substitute directly, what you will get there? 1 minus sine cube.
Sine cube pi by 2.
Sine pi by 2 is what? Sine 90. 1, right?
One.
Yes.
Okay. So cos 90, 0.
0.
0.
So 0 by 0,
0 by
right?
0 again.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay.
sir.
Ended.
That's
Yes,
why we
sir.
have to rewrite the function. Is it clear? Previous,
Yes.
this case also you got the same thing. That's why we have written 0 by 0. Got it? Yeah.
Okay.
Now, you can write it as what? Tell me. Limit h tends to 0, 1 minus
Sine cube pi by
sine
2
cube
h.
pi by 2
Pi
minus h
by 1.
3 into cos square pi by 2 minus h. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minus sine 90 minus theta.
Cos theta.
So cos cube h by cos 90 minus theta.
Sine theta.
So sine
Sine
square
square.
h. Okay. Do you know how to simplify thereafter? Any idea? Can you give a tip? Anybody? Any idea?
A cube minus
Sir,
B cube.
formula cos cube
Okay.
x.
Very good, very good. A cube minus B cube. Correct, exactly. Numerator 1 can be written as 1 cube. So this will become A cube minus B cube. What is A cube minus B cube? Do you know the identity? Note it there. A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Note it there, okay? A cube minus B
Okay.
cube is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So this can be written as 1 minus cos h, that is A minus B, into A square, 1 square, plus AB, 1 into cos h, that is cos h, plus cos square h. Is right? Okay. Divided by 3 into, see, do you know how to write sin square h?
Science.
Sin square h.
Sine
There
is
is a reason behind it. Yeah, tell me.
So 1 minus cos square h.
1 minus
Very
cos
good.
square h.
Why? What is the reason behind it?
So we can
We
just
have 1 minus cos.
Numerator is 1 minus cos h. Very good. So you can write it as 1 minus cos square h. Okay. So how to write in the next step? One more thing you have to write. This is of the form a square minus b
a
square.
square minus b square. Yes, sir.
That's why 1 minus cos square h can be written as 1 minus cos h into 1 plus cos h. These two things we can cancel here. Remaining direct substitution, that is a reducible form. You can't reduce that further. That's why directly substitute value means limit you can apply. When I apply the limit 1 plus cos 0 plus cos square 0 by 3 into 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, right?
yes.
Okay. So what we get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 square divided by 3 into 1 plus 1, right?
So 1 by 2.
1 by 2. Value of the function already we have f of pi by 2, that is equal to a. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now substitute everything in equation number 1. Substitute everything in equation number 1.
A is equal to 1 by 2.
Ah,
B is equal to 4.
okay, very good. Left hand limited, that is 1 by 2. Right hand limited b by 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is equal to value of the function a. So
Yeah.
directly what you can write? See, a is equal to
1
1
by
1
by
by
2.
2.
1 by 2.
B by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear, right? So the value of b is 8 by 2, that is 4.
4.
B is equal to 4.
See how easy it is?
Yes, sir.
Easy or not? Tell me. But you have to
Yes,
practice.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Proper
sir.
practice is required. You can solve any question if you are getting. These are the 4 methods. Only 4 methods are there. For all questions, a direct substitution, and anywhere 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, rewrite the
Yeah.
functions by using either rationalization, okay, or
Factorization.
factorization,
Try.
Or
or
identity.
that last property. Okay. Can you try last question also?
Yes, sir.
Last question, nothing is there. First part, you have to split it. Sin a plus 1 of x. Okay. Wait, I'll write. This way you have to write. Sin a plus 1 of x plus sin x all divided by x. Clear, right? X less than 0. And here what is going to happen? This x is a common denominator. So separately you can write. When you write separately, it will be sin a plus 1 of x by x plus sin x divided by x. When you apply the limit, this part you know the limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is going to be 1. Correct, right? Okay. And what is going to happen here? This you have to resolve. A plus 1 of x, right? So multiply numerator and denominator by a plus 1. Clear? Okay. Then you apply the limit. This part will be 1 and this constant you can take outside. Nothing is there. Got it understood?
Yes, sir.
I told you, right? What angle we are getting here, the same you have to make in the denominator also. Here a plus 1 of x, but here x only. If it is a plus 1 of x only, you can use the property there. That's why multiply numerator and denominator by a plus 1. And what is required there, that you can take in the denominator. What is left over, that you consider as constant and take it out. Okay, once after applying the limit, you will get the response. And next part is easy. Square root of x plus bx square minus root x divided by bx raised to 3 by 2. So what you can see there? Tell me. Second part is square root of x plus bx square minus root x divided by bx raised to 3 by 2. Check it. If I take x is equal to 0, 0 plus 0. So 0 minus 0, that is 0 divided by 0. 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. You have to rewrite the given function. How to rewrite? Any idea?
Rationalizing.
Rationalization. Why you have chosen rationalization?
The square root.
Because of the square root.
Because square root. Square root. Okay, right. Okay. Try it. Try it. If you're not getting the proper solution, tomorrow we will discuss in class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Now, right. Next part. Let's go to the next part. Continue. Differentiability. Right. Next, differentiability. You must solve all these questions. Okay. Only selected questions I have given. That's why you have to practice that. Okay. Next one is differentiability. Tell me what is differentiation? Simple question. What is differentiation? What do you understood? What is differentiation? It is a process of, simple thing, listen. It is a process of finding the derivative of any function. Process of finding derivative of any function. What is derivative? Derivative is also called the rate of change, or in mathematics what we can consider slope of a tangent. Physics we used to consider what? Rate of change. D by dx, rate of change. Right.
Yes.
X and y are two functions. When x varies, y also vary. Clear, right? Y varies means either directly or indirectly. Is it clear? Getting? Okay. So if a function y varies with respect to x, that rate you can show as dy by dx. Clear, right? Okay. So dy by dx is what? Rate of change. Rate of change of quantities. Clear? Okay. So here what we are considering in mathematics, that is slope of a tangent. Why I am considering slope of a tangent? It is easy to understand. See, go to straight lines. Last year you have studied it. You know that how to find slope of a line, right? How to find slope of a line? Listen, a line in a plane, a line in a plane can what show two angles. Clear, right? What are the angles? One is acute angle, the other one is
Yes.
obtuse angle. Two angles are there, supplementary angles. Clear, right? Supplementary, what are supplementary angles? Sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So if this is theta, theta is acute, then the other one is going to be 180 minus theta. Is it clear?
180 minus.
Here also going to happen the same thing, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So a line in a plane is making two sets of angles, and that are supplementary. Got it? Okay. So here you have to consider only the angle which is in positive direction of x-axis. That is called a inclination of a line. Studied or not last year? What is inclination of a line? An angle made by a line with the positive direction of x-axis is called the inclination of a line. Tell me. A line which makes an angle, a line which makes an angle in the positive direction of x-axis is called the inclination of the line.
Inclination of a line.
Okay, and that inclination is denoted by theta. If theta is the inclination of a line, tan theta is called the slope of the line. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theta is inclination of a line, tan theta is called the slope of the line. That slope is denoted by what? Small letter m.
M.
Yes.
Okay, so now you consider, if I give a line, you can find the slope. But now you know only when I give the angle measure. If angle is equal to 30 degree, then slope of the line is going to be tan 30, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Clear? If it is 45, it's 1. If it is 60, that's going to be root 3, like that. Okay? Okay. But
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
if you are not getting angle is not given. Do you have any other possibility to find slope? If you are not
Yes, sir. There
getting
is one
angle,
formula. So there was one formula H2 upon H1 like this. There was one formula in 11th.
okay, then when we have to apply? Instead of angle, if 2 points are given, then you can find the slope. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose on the line you have 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then you can find slope of this line. That is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
Manufacturing.
Clear, right? This is also same as what m.
Mm.
Okay. So these are the two conditions you have studied last year in straight lines. One is angle is given, you can find tan theta is equal to slope of the line. If angle is not given, by using 2 points, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, you can
Yeah.
find slope of the line. Clear, right? Leave.
Yes, sir.
There is one more condition for finding the slope. That is derivative. Do you understand? First one is angle is given. Second one is 2 points are given. What is the third condition for finding the slope? Derivative.
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 Okay. So how can we find the slope by using derivative? Okay. Listen. Do you know first principle of derivative, all of you? Last year you learned first principle of derivative. That is also called the ab initio method. I will tell you that. F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x all divided by h.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called the ab initio method. Ab initio method. It is exactly same as your y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. How? See, 2 points are there. There is a function. There is a moving object. So when I throw something, a ball I am throwing, so it may go like this. Okay. So you have to take the rate of change. So consider here you are taking 2 points. First point you can consider as x1, okay, or x you can consider corresponding image you can consider f of x. Clear? Okay. So after h seconds, it will reach here. So that time the position that changes. So I can write this point is going to be x plus h. So here the position of the point we can mention as x plus h, f of x plus h. Correct, right? So listen,
Yes, sir.
my question is this one. If these are the 2 points on the line, you know that if 2 points are getting, you can find the slope. If 2 points are getting, what about the slope? Tell me. Y2 minus
F of x.
y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
X2
Correct,
minus
right?
X1. Yes, sir.
Here x1 is x, y1 is f of x. X2 is x plus h, y2 is f of x plus h. So y2 minus y1, that is f of x plus h minus
Minus
f of
f
x
of x.
divided by then x2 minus x1, that is
X plus
x plus
x.
h minus x. So x cancel, h you got. That is this condition you got it right.
Yes, sir.
What is this actually? If I take a triangle here, opposite side, this is opposite side. What is length of opposite side? Total length is f of x plus h, f of x plus h, and this point is f of x. If you want to find this distance from the total distance, you have to subtract this one. How to write? Total distance is f of x plus h minus f of x. This
Minus.
one. Okay. So opposite side divided by this is what? Adjacent side. Clear, right? What is adjacent side? Total length from 0 to this much. That is x plus h distance is there. Okay. From total distance, I have to subtract this much. So f of x plus h, sorry, x plus h minus
Plus H minus.
x we are subtracting. So you will get this one. That means what is this? Opposite side divided by
Adjacent.
adjacent side. Correct, right? So that opposite by adjacent is what? Tan theta. This is exactly same as tan theta. That means m slope.
Yes,
These all
sir.
are slopes. Getting? So now you have learned three different ways how to find the slope. First one is what? Angle is given tan theta. Second one is 2 points are given y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now this one is where we have to use this condition if a function is given. In continuity, what you have learned? Continuity, what you have learned? Tell me. How to check if the graph of a function is continuous. That means how can we draw the graph of a function without breaking? Clear, right? If anywhere it is breaking, that is a discontinuous. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
So if you have a function f of x, you got any function, logarithm function, trigonometry function, any function you consider, you can draw the graph of the function. What is tangent? In grade 10, tangent and secant we have studied. Tangent is a line that touches the curve at only one point. So through all these peak and valleys, you can draw tangents. These all are tangents. Getting? So in this graph, if you take any particular point, suppose if I take this point, you can find slope of a tangent at this point. That is f dash of x. Did you get the idea? Okay. Yeah. So now what we are going to find, you will get this kind of many function. That is f of x is equal to x raised to n. If you get f of x is equal to x square, that is parabola. So when I consider parabola, f dash of x you consider f dash of x is 2x. F dash of 0. F dash of 0 is 2 into 0, 0. That means this point. Clear, right? So your tangent is passing through this point. That you learn clearly there in applications of derivatives. Clear, right?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Did you get the idea? Okay. Yeah. So here, this is a conclusion. This is a main idea. What it is? If you are getting a function, you can find slope of the tangent. If you are getting a function or a curve, you can find the slope of the tangent. That slope of the tangent is called a derivative f dash of x. Okay. This is enough now. Otherwise, if I give more things, you won't get it. Okay. So what is that? F of x is a function. F dash of x is what? Slope of its tangent. Okay. Now, last year you have studied which one? Ab initio method. By using ab initio method, that is this property. By using this property, how to find the derivative. Now, in this year, what we have from this properties, certain formulas they have derived. By using that formulas, we can easily find the derivative functions. Okay, I will give that formulas. Just note it there. First one is d by dx of a constant c, that is equal to, okay, you write this one. Derivative of x raised to n into x raised to n minus 1. Second one, d by dx of x. What is derivative of x? Tell me.
Sir, one.
1.
1.
How it is 1, you know that, right? X raised to 1. So n into, that is 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1. So 1 into x raised to 0. That is 1.
One.
Here. Third one, d by dx of c, where c is a constant. What is derivative constant?
0.
0.
0.
Fourth one, d by dx of root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. Fifth one, d by dx of e raised to x.
E raised to x.
E raised to x. D by dx of a raised to x. A raised to x into log a to the base e. Seventh one, d by dx of log x. What is the derivative of log x?
1 by x.
1 by x. Eighth, d by dx of 1 by x. What is derivative of 1 by x?
2x square.
No, minus 1 by x square.
Square.
Next, d by dx of mod x. X by mod x. 10. D by dx of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x?
Cos x.
Cos x. D by dx of cos x.
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x.
Don't forget, any trigonometric function starting with the CO. Any trigonometric function starting with the CO. Derivative of a trigonometric function with the prefix CO is always negative. Anywhere it is starting with the CO, it will be always negative. So here CO, that's why minus
Minus sin
sin
x.
x. D by dx of tan x.
X square x.
6 square x. D by dx of sec x.
Sec x into
Sec x into tan x.
Tan
tan
x.
x.
Sec x into tan x. D by dx of cosec x. Starting with the CO, cosec x. So
Minus
minus cosec x, cot x. Getting derivative of cosec x minus cosec x, cot x. D by dx of cot x starting with the C. So minus
minus
cosec square x. D by dx of cot x. Avinash, is it clear?
the
Can you see?
last one is not visible, sir.
Sorry,
The last one is not visible.
last one is not visible. Which one, 14th or 15th?
The 15th.
15th. Okay. I'll write here. Okay.
Okay.
D by dx of cot x, that is minus cosec square x. Completed.
Yes.
16th one, d by dx of sine inverse of x. What is derivative sine inverse of x? 1 by square root of 1 minus x
1
square.
minus x square.
Okay. D by dx of cos inverse of x.
Minus of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square.
Yeah, very good. Exactly same thing. See, I'll tell you. Can I clear all these 6 and 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, all of you, please listen. 18 d by dx of tan inverse of x, d by dx of cot inverse of x. Derivative tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Clear? Okay. Then 20 d by dx of sec inverse of x. 21 d by dx of cosec inverse of x. Okay. See all of you. Sec inverse of x is 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1. Okay. Yeah. See. Only you have to study these three. See, sine, co-function of sine is cosine. Sine, cosine. Tangent, co-function, cotangent. Secant, co-function, cosecant. Okay. So only study in inverse trigonometric function derivative of sine inverse, tan inverse, and sec inverse. Remaining three are negatives of these functions. That means if you know derivative sine inverse of x, you can write easily negative what co-function. If it start with the co, I told you that all are going to be negative. So just negative of the same. 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Here, minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. This is minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1. Clear? Note it there. Over.
Oh,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. See, now what I'm going to say. Today, what I have given continuity that you practice very well. Okay. Practice very well. Then this result also, these properties also. If you know these properties, remaining part will be very easy, simple. Okay. So continuity, whatever it is, today you have to finish everything. Okay. Then go to, thereafter you go to metrics and determinants. Okay. Try to finish that. Tomorrow you will have class at 9:30 or 10 o'clock. I will send the message. Okay. And
Okay,
evening,
sir.
someday evening also there will be a section. I don't know meeting or something is there or not. If meeting is not there, evening I will take a section. Evening only revision part. Clear getting? Evening only revision part. Revision we are going to do. Hmm. Tomorrow morning you will have continuation of this part. I shall try to finish tomorrow. This one differentiability. Fifth chapter we can try to finish tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay.
So sharp on time you have to join either at 9:30 or 10 o'clock. Okay, check the
Morning, sir.
message. Okay,
Yes.
I will give a missed call also.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then bye. Thank you. Good night.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye.
Good
Thank
night, sir.
Bye. Good
Good
night.
Thank
night.
you, sir.
Thank you. Good night. Yeah. Those who have not finished, please complete that. Okay.
Okay.
So sorry. Inverse of cosec. Cosec inverse. Cosec inverse of minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. Okay. Tomorrow I will ask questions. These all you should study. Very very important to solve problems.
Okay,
Not
sir.
only for this one, even for integration also.
Yes, sir.
Means integration means you know that inverse process of differentiation, right? Okay. Means derivative of sin x cos x. So integral of cos x, what is that? Sin x. Getting derivative of cos x minus sin x. Integral of sin x minus cos x. So these all are related. If you know this one, integration you can do easily. Okay, then bye bye bye. Good
Bye,
night.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.